indigenous people of Biafra. You will see it in this book, how I coined that name. It was actually in the year the United Nations passed that law, the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. So making it clear that indigenous peoples of the land have right to retain their indigenous identity while maintaining their nationality, that their citizenship. So you are a Nigerian. I am a Nigerian by citizenship. Yes, I am a Nigerian. But I'm also a Biafran by indigenous identity. And of course, the law allows me to acquire more nationalities. I can be Nigerian citizen, British citizen, American citizen, German citizen. You can acquire multiple citizenships. So even a Nigerian can also be a Biafran. So even when we get Biafran as a nation, as an independent nation, a Biafran can still be a Nigerian, and be a British, and be German, and be American.